So, oh my god, my voice. So good morning guys. So today is finally the day I've been waiting for a while now. Today we're going to be going to Japan, so here's the plan. Oh, that kind of rhymed. Japan, here's the plan. So here's the plan. From here we're going to be driving to the YYC airport. From there we're going to be flying to Vancouver. And from Vancouver we're going to be flying to Japan at the Nagoya airport. So yeah, it's going to be a long day, but I'm going to take you guys alongside with me. And my bagel's ready. But my hair is looking really messy right now, so I'm going to see if I can get my mom to braid it because I don't know how to French braid my own hair. I did a Japan vlog last year and I feel like I looked like the exact same last year, except I think I glowed down right now. But I had my hair the exact same. I was vlogging this exact spot. So my sister and I are basically the same person. We're twinning so much and we have the same hair, same stripes, and both wearing black leggings. Oh, listen to me. He doesn't like me. See, he hates me so much. Here's my mom. I'm going to Japan with her. Hi. So hey guys, we're just about to leave the house. I'm a little bit sad because I'm gonna miss my cat Timmy, and yeah, I'm gonna kind of miss this house. So yeah, I'll see you soon. I think I'll see you in the car. Why am I so sad? I'm so sad. Hi Timmy, I love you. Timmy. I'm so sad. I'm gonna literally cry. Hey guys, I came back from crying my eyes out. Yeah, doing really good right now. So hey guys, we're almost at the YYC airport. We're currently driving there, as you can see, and we're gonna be there in probably around 2 minutes. Is that a good estimate? Hey guys, we made it to the YYC airport. We're walking right now. We just found out that our flight is going to be delayed, which is a really big problem because if we don't make it to Vancouver in time, we're not going to make it to Japan in time. It's a cat. I love that luggage. Hey guys, I'll give you guys a quick update. We went through security and then we found out our flight was delayed for another hour and a half. So right now we're waiting in our gate. Yeah, we're just kind of concerned that we won't make it on our second flight in time. So I'm pretty sure that's our airplane, and we're going to be boarding soon. So I'll see you guys on the airplane. Do you want to say hi? Could you look normal? Thank you.
I just need the over 60.
Hey guys, so I don't think so. We got to board first because Mika has an allergy, so we're the first ones on the plane. Hey guys, we're on the airplane. We're about to departure. Is departure the right word when you're going up?
Yeah. Take off.
We're gonna take off pretty soon, so yeah, kind of nervous.
Had a pleasant flight, and we look forward to seeing you again soon. Thank you and have a great day.
Hey guys, we are in Vancouver right now. We are booking it because we're gonna miss our flight. So right now we have around 30 minutes left. We have to go through security, find our gate, find the international part of the airport. So yeah, a little bit of a rush, but we can do it, right? Hey guys, we're in Vancouver and we're almost going to board onto our plane to Japan. So I'll see you guys then. Hi guys, we're on the airplane to go to Japan. Some interesting stuff happened, but I'll talk about that later. So yeah, we're just getting settled. We're up in the air now. Awesome, let's do this. Hey guys, so we just got lunch, even though it's around 4 o'clock back in Calgary, but we're just trying to change our schedule up here. So yeah, I'm gonna eat this and I'll see you later. By the way, sorry all these like video footages are like from all different weird lightings and weird angles. It's just not too easy to film in like airplanes and stuff, so sorry about that. But yeah, the airplane food gave me a really bad stomach ache, and that's what I'm dealing with right now. Like my stomach hurts so bad. And then I also just realized that it's still only 2 hours in out of a 10-hour flight, so I still have a really long time to get through. So yeah, wish me luck. But hey guys, so we've been flying for about 4 hours. We're all doing pretty dead right now. I've been just watching some Netflix and editing this video. I think I'm gonna try to get some sleep, but it's highly unlikely because I usually can't sleep on planes. So yeah. I officially give up on sleeping. It's way too bright in here because everyone has their windows up when it's supposed to be the sleeping time. So hey guys, I know you probably can't see much because it's really dark, but I just woke up around a 2-hour nap, which is really surprising because I can usually never sleep on planes, but I think it's because in Calgary right now it's around 11:30, so I'm really tired. But I think I'm gonna do my skincare routine once the lights are gonna go back on. Hey guys, we just had breakfast and back home in Calgary it's around 12 o'clock midnight. Whoa, that's bright. It's crazy. We're almost going to land. We're a little bit late, which is a bit of a problem because we ordered a taxi, but hopefully everything will be good with that. But we're going to land pretty soon.
Ready for the flight attendant coming down the aisle, and also about 10 minutes or so we're required to collect.
Hey guys, we're about to descend right now, so I'll see you guys at the Nagoya airport. We all filled out our customs forms. My hair is already puffy. And we're here. We've landed in Japan. So hey guys, we made it to Japan right now at the Nagoya airport, and we're about to leave because our taxi is going to leave us. Outside. Oh, did you hear my voice crack? So we're outside right now. All of our hair got really puffy because it's so humid. Japan is so humid, it's really hot, but right now apparently it's only 20 degrees. Even my screen's clouding up. Are you kidding me? Apparently it's only 20 degrees right now, and it could get up to double of this, so yeah. Also the bathroom here are amazing. I went to the bathroom. It was beautiful, absolutely beautiful. I really like this lighting. Oh my goodness, guys, look at this lighting. So hey guys, we made it all the way to my grandma's house in Japan. I think I'm going to be ending the vlog here. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'll definitely keep an eye out for some more vlogs because I'll be making some more. I'm thinking maybe like a shopping haul and vlog, and then I'm also traveling a bit in Japan, so I'll definitely vlog that as well. So definitely keep an eye out on those. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. If you like this video, please like and subscribe for more. I'm going to try to post weekly. And sorry, this was quite like a messy video. The whole time I looked very scary and ugly, and then all the clips were kind of like not the best quality, so sorry about that. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you guys next time. Bye guys. So hey guys, it's Maya from the future. I was just editing this video and then I realized I forgot to mention, if you guys have any specific videos you would like me to film in Japan, please let me know in the comments below. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching this video, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye guys. By the way, look how thick my hair got from the humidity. Bye guys.